Hey.
Hello. All those hellos are basically mic check 1, 2.
Yeah.
Hello.
Lottie?
Hello.
I was gonna say we can see you, but not hear you. I like your background.
What especially? Do you like?
Oh, I ain't got my glasses. Well, I've got my glasses on, but I can't read that.
I forgot you sync all the things. You can see the plant that Emma gifted me before she moved to Denmark.
It's still alive.
Finger plant, what is it called? Monstera.
Cheese plant.
Peas plant. Nice.
It's still alive. Thank you very much, Sven. Quite a
No, we know you're a good gardener, so.
I mean, the good news is my mum has to look after it. It doesn't fit in my flat. That plant is too big. Warren has what looks like a plant behind your left ear.
Well, yeah.
Bit of a plant.
Bit of a plant. It's fake plant. That's about as much as I can look at. Yeah, I can look after.
You know that Ravi's in the other chat.
Is he?
Yeah. Yeah, he is.
he's got a strange thing going on in his head usually. So.
Yeah, well. I might send him a message. See if that would.
So what are we doing today? What are we hacking on or looking at?
Trying to fix a bug. I'll set it up in a second.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I don't know if more people are gonna join or not.
Doesn't seem like it for now. Let me just say welcome again to UmbraCollab. Are we on YouTube?
Yes.
Warren?
I don't know.
Oh. So in that case, as a disclaimer, we're streaming and recording this on YouTube. So if you want to leave, then just
sit up straight.
Or sit up straight. Yes. We're here to learn together, make mistakes together, and say things that sound a bit silly afterwards, and that's part of the learning process. So let's go and see what we can get done.
They end up on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know.
It can get quite
Warts and all. There he is, Ravi. You found the correct
fixing a bug live on stage on Code Garden and then going,
yeah.
oh, this doesn't work, and then coming home and go like, huh, maybe my check wasn't correct, and then checking it again and actually figuring out that it was correct.
Oh. Yes. Are you screen sharing?
Yeah, I'll share it in a second.
Then I saw you made a pull request just today as well.
Yes, that was another one. Yeah.
And, I was wondering what happened there because there's a lot of commits from a guy named Nikolai in there.
Is there?
Yeah. So I think you must have branched off of V9 and made the pull request for V10.
Did I? Let me quickly look. No, from V10 that function.
Well,
but
you were 40 commits behind then. Or 39 because you did one commit.
Let's see. Share screen. Hope this is gonna be clear. So this is the issue. This is the. I don't know if it's readable. Else I have to swap screens. Just tell me.
It's a little bit small.
Okay. Yeah, 4K screens. All right. Let's swap that over. And then let's swap the all over. There we go. And then. Great. There we go. Dude.
You can. There's a checkbox.
That better?
No, that's better. I can read that.
Text.
Yeah, but even then it's 4K to 720.
Yeah. But also for this one, I mean, just it would be nice. It's fine now.
Is there an option?
Stream just in the second window. So when you do next, then it says better video or better text or something.
Never paid attention to that.
Because you're always gaming.
Shut up. What are you streaming? Stream channel? Oh yeah, there's the drop down. Better text readability. Let's go. Even better?
Looks good to me.
Looks good to me.
Alright, cool. So the only thing I did different is that my actual origin is like UmbraCollab CMS.
Yeah.
That way I don't have to like sync every time, and then I just push to my fork.
I see what you mean. Yeah.
But yeah, I did branch off from V10 dev, and then took this one. So
the default branch is V10 contrib. That's why it's different. I can rebase it on V10 dev. That's fine.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm sorry.
Although you've changed 28 files, so it might not be fine.
No, only one. I'll just.
Okay, then it's fine.
I can rebase on the contrib if you want.
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay. And force push is allowed.
You can force push to
your branch, your repo.
Yeah, right. Sorry. Rebase. Yep. Sure.
So just for a bit of context, it's because there's a massive PR on GitHub then showing a ton of changes when it's really just one change.
It says 40 changes, 20 files. Just one file.
Abort. And then go. What are we gonna do?
Just check out. I would just check out V10 contrib and cherry pick that one commit.
I guess.
Be my easiest.
Yeah, probably. Cherry pick commits. There we go. And then this.
Oh yeah, so now you need to.
Is the PR still open on GitHub?
It is. It is.
Then it will just get confused.
It's fine.
Fine.
We'll do delete and then do new branch.
Yeah.
Boopity. Yeah. And then push this to my fork. Yes, force push. Let's go.
Sure.
Hallelujah. There we go.
Right.
Yeah, I was playing WoW. Bye. No. Can close this. Request. That's the issue.
Yeah, so refresh it now, see if the files changed. Just changed from 28 to just 1.
Yeah, it has. Nice.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Alright, so that one's done.
Better.
Alright, next one.
Thank you.
All this. Okay, so the one we're tackling today is this one. So there's apparently a bug, and it's verified it already. When you put a date picker on either media or on a member, not in content, and then touch the media picker in some way, except when removing stuff, and then save, you still get a. Do you want to lose these? Do you want to discard these changes when trying to move away? So something is not picking up that it was saved, but just for members and media. I have no idea how to tackle this one, so any input is welcome.
In there as to where to start to look. Yeah, maybe the first one. I think the second one is for V7. That might not exist anymore.
I do it checking for slider and daytime.
So you're saying look for the dirty event so that you can actually see that something has or has not changed, essentially.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we shouldn't set things to dirty if they haven't been changed.
And they made their changes in the date picker.
So the date picker controller has set swings to 30, and then that's a slider. That's fine. So I think
and that's a slider. So it's not actually on the content. That was.
No, that's why I'm confused as to why it doesn't work.
Yeah.
But we
Can we just?
What it looks like right now.
I was gonna say, can we just set it up to reproduce it and then
Yeah, no
start picking apart that way? That's the way I normally tend to tackle these things.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to VTN contrib again. We would need a show. What was it? This one. Goes to VTN. So it's in the same folder. Huh? Oh, okay, wrong one. Not this one. This one. There we go. And then we take Visual Studio. Shut this down. Come on.
Bonding for 10 seconds. Disable extension resharper. You should be using Rider.
No, I don't know why. It just doesn't click properly. Still on the V10, so that's fine. I'm not gonna reinstall everything. I'm just gonna restart the whole watch thing.
Yeah.
Close this down. So it doesn't always pick up changes when you swap branches.
Yeah.
Should, but
if you go from V9 to or V8 to V10, you might have to do a reinstall of it.
Yeah. Stayed on the V.
Yeah. But yeah, since you already had it running, that's perfect.
Yeah. Right.
That's why I also have a V7, V8, V9, and V10 directory for. So I don't have to like.
You're like me then, Seb.
I'm planning on doing the same thing if I'm gonna like verify more of the issues on the tracker that haven't been verified yet. It's gonna be a lot easier. It's already installed and everything, so.
Yeah.
Lots of virtual machines.
Nah, no virtual machines needed. So I think I already added these things. Let's see. Pro settings, media types. Image with date. So date here. Go to media. We have an image. Excel power, people. And there's a date here. So if I change this, and then save, and then go to the recycle bin, I get the.
Okay. Yep.
If we go here and delete it, and then save, then it works.
Okay.
If we go to content, change, save and publish, change, it's fine. And if we go to members, I'm gonna set up the same thing. Here we go, there's a date here, set it, save, go to, same deal.
Okay. And if you just touch the daytime and don't change anything, and then you still get it. Okay.
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 Yeah, that's a good one. In case we don't fix it.
So for me, I would want to 100% check that it's definitely the same data type or property editor. So like we don't have a duplicate for date picker as a content and then one that's reused for media and members or whatever the other one was.
And how do we do this?
Good point. We can
go in here and then
UmbraCollab date time.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna go in source. No. Again. No. Is my Control Shift F not working? I mean, I can do all of this.
What are you trying to do?
Find Control Shift F.
Oh. I don't know.
Edit. No. Should be in here.
Control left.
Control Shift F.
Oh, here maybe. Yeah. If you just click the solution, then Control Shift F. Nope.
Nope.
Is it appearing on a different screen?
Oh, Jesus Christ. That was a good one. And it's completely in the top left corner, so it didn't even pop up like where my eyes were kind of focusing. What was it called? UmbraCollab.
Date picker.
Oops. Date time. Yeah. So.
Can we talk about why there is still a caps lock key on every keyboard?
Because it needs to be there?
No. Who needs it? Unless you stream on the internet a lot.
Or when you type, or when your policy for code in JavaScript says that you need to type all constants in caps, then it's pretty handy.
Yeah.
Surely double shifting should.
Yeah, but you can do that pretty quickly by accident. So.
Oh no, he says having accidentally typed it like a million. Do you want sticky keys? No, no, I do not want sticky keys.
So we have an editor alias UmbraCollab, and it's in the one as well. So there's some.
I'm sure it probably is the same data type, but it was just something to just.
Yeah.
I know over time.
Good starting point. Good starting point. Warren.
Just make sure that it's something
and then go to not media types, but data types.
It's an attached property rather than being a native.
Date picker. Oh, it does have different icons.
What does attached mean?
Sorry, I mean you've created a new media type.
Okay.
So
Yeah, media type. Yeah, but it's just like a new content type. The data type itself is still the same.
It should work. Yeah.
Yeah, it's still UmbraCollab datetime, so it's exactly the same, as far as I can see.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you can even remember. Oh, I love this, by the way.
Ah.
Always forget with the new things.
Dave Wustenborg for this one.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's
Thanks,
beautiful.
Dave.
Thanks, Dave.
Remember,
Thanks, Dave.
So we've got
It's
it
not,
on. Doc type.
Did you have your browser console open when you did it?
No.
Oh, yeah, you put into throwing up errors.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry.
Good pick, Lottie.
So let's do media. Put in a date. Save. No errors.
That's it. That's all I had. FL. That was it.
Yep. The event that we saw. So on the fix that somebody did for the content one? No, into commits. Yep.
That's a really old one. It's V7.
Yeah, okay, but that is for V7 this one.
Yeah, I would start going in the controller, the JavaScript controller, so the date picker controller. Even just putting in like an alert or a console, and then just double checking that loads from all the same places. Like,
but where is it?
So it lives source, views, property editors.
Sorry, again?
Source,
views, property editors.
Yeah.
Date picker.
Yeah.
And then there's the controller alongside the view.
Alright, what does it say? On init, sets on.
I would just chuck something in, console or an alert, just something.
Just to see that it's this one, you mean?
Yep. Let's find out. Is your Visual Studio task runner?
Yeah, it's running.
Ah, perfect.
Wait.
One step ahead.
It does. It still pleases me when things like that happen. When you can send messages to yourself.
Yeah, exactly. So we can remove this one. That's
So we
fine.
know we're in the right place.
So is there anything that says it's changed?
So there's a function, I'm just scrolling down in the same code. There's a function called setDirty, but it's wrapped in an if to set it. So I'm looking at line 168.
Yeah, I found it. One.
Right. Do we even hit this function? And then do we hit those? Yeah, exactly. Do we hit inside the if?
Oh. Yeah,
okay, so not
pick up the changes this time. I did remove it, right?
That's fine. You just need to touch the date picker.
What do you mean?
You need to go scroll down and actually.
You need to hit the date, yeah.
Yeah, but the fact that this is still showing up means it doesn't have the new. Okay, now. Just refresh too fast.
so
1 2
1 2 1 2. Okay, so it's
but
doing what
it
it
actually
should.
do it on the first one.
Nope. That's good.
Yes, as soon as I go out. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's marking it as dirty then.
So change. That's another weird thing. So I clicked already. It checked that it was dirty, and then I click again, and then it changes. So it requires 2 clicks as well currently to actually update the value.
Yeah, I think that's just the Angular lifecycle stuff. Yeah.
And removing.
Let's get rid of Angular.
Removing doesn't actually set the dirty.
Okay.
Remove.
Interesting. So
That doesn't set the dirty.
Well, which would explain why it allows it to go through.
Yeah, exactly.
So scope model
still,
on value
when you
change.
save this and move out, it will still say.
No, it will be fine because the dirty wasn't set. So the overlying form, when it checks is anything still dirty, it doesn't pick it up.
It doesn't know that it's changed.
So that's the first thing. I mean, it's a side effect, but we should fix that as well, right? When clearing date, it doesn't set the dirty. So what line is this? Clear date is at 72. Dirty. There you go. That's it, right? Nothing fancy? No? Okay. 72. I like scrolling, sorry. Scope dot has data and picker value false. It's scope dot null. So it just sets a lot of things.
Setting everything to null.
So might just do it at the end, right?
Well, do you want to set it dirty if it's
no, we only want to do this if we actually have a current model.
Yeah. Well, but don't we want to do it after we set everything null first?
Yeah, I mean, that's probably not going to be a big thing, but... these indentations. Okay. Because else we're going to get complaints that we changed 20 million indentations.
There you go.
There we go. Okay, so this...
Beautiful.
Let's dog this, by the way. So that we...
In general, I'm pretty happy when you reformat, if within reason.
Still going.
When the tests run, then everything has been copied already, so you can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right. That's
fresh.
So fresh. Does it say dirty is not a function?
Can't use this.
Because this is the wrong scope in JavaScript, so it just should be just set dirty.
Oh, okay, sorry. I've been working with modern Angular, and there you do need to do it.
Yep.
UmbraCollab. We're using UmbraCollab.
Yeah, exactly. Oh man, why is it so slow today?
Yeah, I was going to say exactly. It knows it's on TV.
Just gonna. Okay. it over, so hopefully now do something. Oh yeah, put twice now. Save, refresh, and then delete the date. Okay, so it's being hit now. So if we save now, yeah, okay, that's good. It's consistent.
It's now consistent. Yeah. Okay.
It's consistently broken now. Oh boy! All right, now fixing it.
So if it's set in the...
How does the dirty thing work in general?
Yeah, that's what I was about to look
how does
for
it
next.
reset it when needed? That's the question. So
Clear overlays. Not confirm.
we had something in the one of the PRs, the V7 PR, that did it. I think. Next one.
So it's views, common, notifications.
So views,
common, notifications, and there's one called confirm route change, and then in the text, and then there's HTML. I haven't looked at the controller yet, but in the HTML for the view it says, are you sure you want to navigate from this page? You have unsaved changes. So I'm assuming it's definitely
that what pops up, but it's whether this pops up or not. It shouldn't pop up once you save. It's when the form is saved, the control should be notified that things have changed and it should clear its dirty state, right?
Right, so it shouldn't be dirty
anymore. No. So what happens if we just look in a Boolean class and the HTML as well? Is there something on there? On off position labels? No. Okay, so it's not in the HTML. This is a set dirty as well, so it's doing the same thing.
Yeah.
On value changed? No. Maybe.
Are we? Yeah, this sounds familiar. Destroy and unsubscribe. Are we setting it too soon? The dirty flag. No. It sticks around. That's the problem. It sticks around when you save. So maybe it's the actual save button that does something.
Yeah.
That would be different between the members and
like here when so on this toggle, which happens when we change the value toggle here. On click is toggle, right? Yeah. And then when that happens, it immediately does a set dirty. Then if there is already a value available, it sets it to the opposite thing. It sets up the view model, whatever that does, and then if there wasn't a value, it actually creates a value.
Yeah.
So it's doing a set dirty quite soon as well, and it does it on scope.modelform.modelvalue.setDirty. So it succeeded. Good. So if we compare these two, set dirty scope.datePicker form.
And this is if you've added those console log lines in, haven't you?
Yeah, I've just added these in. Yeah.
Those appear when you're using the date pick on the content.
On the content? No, I tried it on the media, but I presume it's going to be on the content as well. Remove.
So, but it's not working in media. But
no, you did actually change it.
Yeah, I did actually change it and didn't save. If I what if we click save? And then try to leave. No, that's not the issue. Okay. It probably occurred sinking the tree.
Okay, that's the next bug you can fix.
update model value. Where is this called? Okay. First of all, where is this set dirty called? So it's called in update model value. It's called in the clear. We've added that. And these are the two. Okay. So compared to the other. So this is the example. Update model value is called when the date is set. Try a safe apply. Yeah. Does the Nope. All this magic is beyond me. I don't fully understand the connections in the life cycle.
I don't think so. I think we need to look at what the save does. The save probably needs to clear some kind of dirty check.
That would be in.
Or where in any place somewhere someone needs to say it's not dirty anymore.
Yep, so in the content edit controller, that's the one that is working, and then you would need to compare it to the member edit controller to see.
Okay. So we have member edit control. Here we go. And then the one working is the content edit controller. Get save page is new current culture on root update.
Yeah, no, must be lower down then.
What do you mean lower down?
As in the edit controller, so it might be wrapped in a component. So obviously, when the view or the HTML is built up, then we have forms.
Editor. Okay.
Yeah.
So content editor, is that in here somewhere? Where is this? Can we navigate? No.
UmbraCollab editors content controller. Edit controller.
Sorry, where?
The purple thing. That's what you're looking for. The pink thing.
Yeah, no. So this is the controller. So we have these. Yeah. These two are linked. But inside this, there's another component called content editor control.
You're right. Okay. Yeah. I don't know, but maybe search for.
If we do the same for the member, so on the member edit, this one. This one has his own form, and this is the save thing. So that's probably maybe this content editor has those things correctly set up.
Yeah.
And then there's a save method here. And save
okay, so I think it's a directive. So
sorry?
I think it's a directive. So it lives the view for it lives at views common, I think. Then components.
There's no component.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, views, components, and then there's a subfolder in there called content.
No.
Then there's an edit. So that's then all the markup. So that it could be any one of these buttons now and things like that. But the related JavaScript, they don't live alongside it in this. But they live in source, common, directives, components. So you're in views still. So up one.
Here we go.
Common, directives, components, content. Then there's an edit controller one in there, which is probably more like it. So there's like a load breadcrumb. There's a mention of is dirty. When it's talking about reset variant flags, so we're probably in the better place to be looking.
Good.
Yep.
So
Done.
if we go here, refresh.
Yes.
It's edit controllers. This one is being hit for sure. Cool.
So there's two functions in here. Well, there's quite a few functions that mention. So there's a clear dirty state function inside that controller. There's a reset variant flags, which is doing stuff with the dirty state. And then there's a function called ensure dirty is set if any variant is dirty. Obviously, we don't have things like that, variants for media.
No, for media.
So I think it's a bit of see what content's doing, and then let's see what the media equivalent is doing.
And then this happens on scope sent to publish.
Yeah.
On the error. That is weird. Am I reading this wrong? When we do a send to publish,
Oh.
a dialog comes up. Do a perform save, then we do this, and when it fails, this is the error function. Then we click what? Clearing dirty state on an error?
Yeah, because you want to clear the dirty state because you don't want to save. You want to tell it don't change anything.
Ah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Okay. What else is this?
Yeah, you can't even save, so it will always give you the pop-up otherwise.
Otherwise, you'll end up with things
save?
in all kinds of weird states.
Yeah.
It's like you've changed it, but you haven't.
Publish the sentence. And then we got the clear dirty state again. Okay.
Alright, well. Clearly, we need
this
that.
one. Yes.
Yeah.
So let's take the member editor one and look for clear. No, dirty. There's no dirty in here.
Ooh.
That's probably why.
What?
So it's doing the same thing here then, right? That's the same place. We do a scope.save, that's a function. We try it to do the save. This is the then, and then this is the error thing. So
What were you going to say, Lottie?
It's only, isn't this problem scope to date pickers only? It's not a
Yeah.
text picture. So there must be some dirty handling in there somewhere.
Good point.
yeah, I tried to look that up for like a boolean, but couldn't find anything.
Yeah.
Really.
But there's a handle successful save method here that's being called. What does that do?
Let me handle. Where do you see that?
Function.
Oh, here.
2 or 3. Or, yeah, handle save error also, but line 2 or 3 or so it's looking at.
This one.
Use.
If not an infinite mode, rebind change props. So that's the content edit.
Yeah.
So when the content edit, where does this come from?
Yes.
We're 2 or 3. Oh no, can I just do F12?
Inject.
Is it gonna work?
No.
It's injected.
I
No. No idea what that does.
think we might get some clues there. Can you do Control T handle successful save?
I
I don't know
can.
if I can't remember with sharper too much. Or
It's Control T.
F12 and yeah, there you go. No.
Let's hide this for a sec. Yeah.
And there should be a handle successful save in here somewhere. I'm assuming that's what we're looking for. Or maybe look for clear dirty in here. That might be a long. Self. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Self.
Great buttons. Publish, schedule. No?
Publish this, these are all the things. Get button from so this is all the.
Handle save error. Okay.
Um.
Rebind. No dirty checks either.
No, because I think they're supposed to be handled at the data type level.
No. I mean, setting that something was changed, yes. But resetting it?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Unless you propagate the event down.
Sure. Yeah.
Like,
can someone put a link to the... There's an issue for this, isn't there?
yes, there is.
Could someone put a link to that in the voice?
I can. Voice chat.
Or however one does notes. Thank you.
Welcome.
Is there any mention of clear, dirty, and
Dirty. Let's see.
one?
Dirty. Nope. Nothing with dirty.
Ah.
That's why I was saying I'm not convinced it happens at the editor
Well,
level.
It does for the content editor. It's a central thing. So.
I'm gonna do something. Media types.
Yeah.
This one. Add a property. Like
Yeah, something that.
It's the boolean.
Yeah, the boolean is too easy. It's always either changed or not changed.
Well, I was going to say.
Oh no, that's good. That's good. Yeah, no, that.
Well, it can only be in two states, so.
Bully. It's my friend Bully.
So if you only change that one, yeah, exactly, and then navigate away. Aha!
It's that. So yeah, it's the overarching one. So
wow.
it is in here that it's missing. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
No, that's not in the content editor, in the member.editor controller, because this is the same as the edit controller, and here we have the clear dirty state that does the whole thing with variants, but we need a non-variant in here and in the media one.
Exactly. That's nice.
So, yeah, before I do that, should it be clear? Save.
Form helper.
Yup. Right.
And better if you go to members now because you change members.
Did I?
Yeah.
Yes.
Members. Remove dates. Save.
Oh yeah, and you did it in error, so then you need to cause an error first.
Huh? Well, I really don't understand what.
In your if you go back to the code, we're in the error handler.
Function
You don't
error.
have an error at the moment.
Your line 224.
On your left side. Yeah.
Yeah, I know it's 224, but I'm just like mapping, or trying to map where this ends up, like in the other one. So here it goes into
the error handler at the moment. So if there's no error, she won't see your message ever.
Okay, so where's the other clear state? Also in an error?
193.
Yeah,
so if you go to your left side.
Yeah, but look on the right side. I'm just trying to figure out where it's doing it. So here it does it in the error handling.
Yeah, but also on 744 on the save.
Yes.
There we go.
Function model where it says busy. Yeah.
I'm missing this. 744.
754. 44. Oh no, that clears.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
it's everywhere.
No,
there's like three
notifications. That's not clear dirty
Oh,
state.
you're right. Okay, but still, it's in the save.
Yeah, I know.
So on your left side, in the member edit controller,
if I go up to the top, look.
Maybe we need to clear the notification.
The second one is in the error handler of the send to publish. Reference, save to publish, error. And save in the error handling. There's no. This is the schedule in the thingy. in error handling, publish descendants in error handling. And that's the last one. So there's no clear dirty state that is not in an error handling.
So maybe it's not in a dirty. It's not the dirty itself. It's just
It's
that
this one.
Just that the notification hasn't been cleared.
Yeah. Do you think no clear notifications is those green bars that take away all the other notifications that were already there?
Right.
But maybe there's hidden magic in there.
Well, well, who knows?
No, there's no hidden magic.
It's just array manipulation.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So okay, let's then in the edit controller where you are now.
Yes.
In the error handler where it says clear 30.
Let's find the save.
Let's log that one and see.
Yeah. So let's go. Not this.
Yeah.
Not. Yeah. Send to publish. Send to publish is just publish, right? Well, let's do it on the save.
No, send to publish is a different one. Yeah.
Save and publish. This one.
Save and publish. Yes.
Yeah.
Interesting. So that would mean that we always have an error handler. I mean,
Here you go.
so weird.
I know. So we go to contents. Here, change dates, save and publish. It's not hit.
Have you reloaded one more time, just in case it wasn't updated yet?
Yeah, let's make sure that is the case.
Did you do save and publish or save there?
Save and publish. Save and publish. Save and publish. I don't mind adding it to all the methods. So
No.
save again just to be sure nothing is being picked up. Good. Edit controller. Remove. Save and publish. Nothing is hit, and it works. There's something else is mother ducking. I didn't curse on YouTube. Well.
Okay.
Maybe.
Perform save. Notifications. So is it? There's something called save method and then content resource dot publish.
It does not have variants. Sorry, it does not have variants.
Yeah.
So it's going to perform save.
Yeah.
And then in the perform save.
Okay.
I'm right? No?
Yeah.
And then.
Oh, hang on. Ensure dirty is set. We got there at exactly the same time.
If any variant is dirty.
Yeah, but that's not what we want.
No, but.
Okay, that's obviously been written as something to force something.
Yeah.
So that it catches any dirty.
Do you suppose it goes onto event service emit content save?
This is something I find weird as well. You recall the init function when the content editor perform save was successful.
That makes sense because you want to reload all the and rebind all the values, I guess. That should be okay. I bet it's that event service.emit content.saved on line 474. Something is responding to that.
Comma, and then this is on line 466. It was set there here. No. 466. For each item in variant, take the variant notifications. It's on the variant is dirty, so if you just take the variants, then it should be fine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what you're trying to do, but okay.
I am trying to log whether this thing clears it, because calling an init function should only happen on init. There you go. Oh yeah, wait. I clicked, I swear. selected all the things. Cool. So change date, save and publish. Variance is not defined.
Yeah, it's data, I guess.
Doesn't know what they are there.
Ah, it's being passed in, so scope.content.variance. Thank you very much. Minus minus. Save. It's done. Save the date, save and publish. Okay, let's see. 1 is dirty, false.
Yeah.
That should be
No, you
true.
didn't do anything, right?
Right, that's
I
before.
did. I removed.
No, but that's before, right? So
Yes,
now...
before the save, it should be dirty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, you're right.
Okay.
What?
So hang on, what does it say for the after?
Yeah, it's. I mean, I would be surprised.
Yeah.
It's false.
Still false. Okay, so consistency. We've done consistency.
Yeah, but it's
Unfortunately,
not
the wrong
really doing
consistency.
anything.
So at that point, it just doesn't know that it's dirty.
What the hell is available on scope? Let's see. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Should really pin this somewhere. I don't have to like reopen it all the time. Change the date. Save and publish. So first let's check this. Is dirty is false, so that is weird. Child scopes and root content. No. No. That's the okay.
Doesn't say what's for the save.
And where did that thing sit in content? Yeah.
Variance.
Yeah,
And then it was
that's
variances.
the
That's the
variance.
array.
That's the one
That's
we
the
already
array.
logged, so it's not keeping like data on the content thing itself. So it's kind of
This was doing
logical.
it earlier.
Yeah,
And,
it's
there is a check validity function just before that.
sorry, where?
Just before the then, there's a check validity.
This
What
one.
does that do? Because it goes to all the controls and
All
does
the form
stuff.
controls. But takes out the.
And if marker is valid means also not dirty, then maybe.
Form controls. Form controls.
Oh, it's on scope.content form, so we can actually check that here. Scope.content form. There we go. It has 3 controls. That's one as well, I guess. The first one is content header form. The second one is a tabbed content form.
Oh, dirty is true. Dirty is true.
Where?
Tabbed content form.
Dirty true. This has controls.
So something
First
in there
controls is the property form. Controls. Text box field form. So that's this one. This dirty is false. So that's fine. Then we have the second one. Property form. Dirty true. And it is our date picker form. So this is correct. So these controls have a dirty state right now.
And this is before or after that init?
That's before.
That's the before. That's the
okay.
before.
Yeah.
And then when we go in the after init, content form. content form, controls. It was the second one. Tapped content form, controls, property form, dirty. Still true. So this dirty is not being translated to the like overlying content editor. So what happens if we do this? That still works. The freaking
Oh, we can only move the aftersave down one line at a time and see which one actually resets it.
But it's not being set, the initial one. So if we look on the before, so this one, this is so we have the form is correctly identified as being dirty. We already checked that. But then the content item, which we I think check on, I'm not 100% sure though, is not being marked as dirty. No, it's the variant one. Right? Variants. There we go.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. You said the variant.
Is dirty
as false.
I'm just gonna double check something. So if you go to the member one, and then we have the save here. What if we do? Yeah, let's do it here. Console.log member. Oh, edits. Save. Scope. And then there's no returning here, just to make sure that it's not skipped. Not being skipped early. Cool. After. Save. That's done.
Yep, done.
We go to members. Refresh. Members. Member 1. Save. So, in here we have content. There's no. Is there variants? No, of course not, because there's no variant. And is dirty is not being tracked on the content itself.
No. But on the properties, probably.
Exactly.
But on the form.
So on the content form, we have controls. We have
many.
None. 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 One. That's the module one. Jesus, all this nesting.
All these things hiding behind it.
Maybe that's number 10. Let's leave it open. 9. Name is model value again. There's no. Do you see any controls to go deeper?
No.
Validators, formatters, nothing.
Yeah, the problem with members is that we add magical properties that don't necessarily exist on in ASP.NET membership, and that makes this harder, I think.
Yeah.
Can you look for? Can you find
field form?
Oh, right, okay.
But that is one
in your member.
On the other tab. So let's try one of the early ones then. Maybe I should have done it. Why am I going from the bottom up, right? That's the name?
Yeah.
That's the header name, that's this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably number 2. Like at the other one.
Text area field form with controls. Text area, that's the commons one.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's number 3. Hopefully.
So the only one you didn't check was number 4, so that's great.
Yeah.
Date picker form. We're on. You're on
Date
it.
picker form. This is the value.
And dirty is
true. So the form does pick it up, which is correct, right? But now the question is, what is still responsible between showing that error thing and linking it to the form and then clearing it? No, it's not being cleared on the form. That is what. Because if we checked into the contents, there was the synchronization between the variant and the form wasn't okay, and after the but that's after the init. Okay. Not check validity. Let's go to what was it? Save and. Yes, this one. So if we take this now, we put it all the way at the bottom after the save is completely done. Oh, there's a return here. That's not great. There's a return here. No. So let's do it here. Air ends. No, not in it.
See you later, Ravi.
There we go. And then this is the then end. There we go. These are the only 2 functions that handle this. Let's go. Okay. So back to content. Yeah, that's fine. Going here. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna like this. Oh no, I still need to refresh. Sorry. So set a date. Okay. It's in the then end, so it didn't hit the error. Let's go to the controls first to see if it actually resets the controls. Where was it? Content form, controls, second one, controls, second one. Yes.
Still dirty. Oh.
Dirty, still true. So it doesn't actually reset the form.
And how is it? How about the content variance?
Yes.
Is dirty property?
Yeah, but it was never set to true. Remember?
Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
Just double checking. V.
It's on the content, isn't it?
Content, yeah. C. Content all the way at the bottom. Variance 1 is dirty is false. So that unless it sets it to true and it doesn't
no,
value, it shouldn't. But let's just double check. It should. Here we go. Content variance 1 false. Still the same. Yeah.
I see something.
Oh, what do you see?
In the code, ensure dirty is set if any variant is dirty. And what does it do? Yep, over here, ensure.
Okay, but when is it called? Let me.
Yeah.
So it's called.
So we're just before your end, so that's good.
If any variant is dirty, so let's do that.
Yeah, we need a difference between the 2 objects now. We do console.diff scope. Can we do no?
No, I don't think you can perform save after. Then before ensure dirty.
What is happening in ensure dirty if you
Yep, I'll
look
have a
into it is it immediately sets everything to dirty as false
on the content form.
on the whole.
Oh,
form.
the overlying one.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I think that might
that's
be
a good one to check. Yes. So this is a perform save. So then it's content form.
Yeah.
There we go. Content form
Dirty is false. Yeah. Yes. And that was.
Okay. I'm just gonna reload
Yeah.
just to make sure. So we remove, save and publish. So start of the perform search, we have the content form.
Already not dirty.
Ah, but wait.
Oh, did you change? Yeah, you changed it.
Yes, but now I'm thinking. No.
Something else.
This render. Okay. Content form $30. Okay, I'm gonna try something because it might be depending on how scope actually work. If it's like a discoverable or something, it might be that no, that shouldn't happen in here.
So where's the first log you put in?
Here.
Can't see here.
Sorry.
Oh, there. Okay. Yes. Then success. Okay. Already done.
Form? No. And then it's just this dirty, right?
$30.
I need to leave, but I realised that we just launched a site with membership with custom properties that are date times version 9.4. So could you fix this, please, Phil?
Sure, Lottie. Anything you say, Lottie.
They're gonna realise this soon. It is a tad annoying. You go and save a member's details, and you're like, "Well, did I press save?"
Yeah, and the thing is, it's not just for date pickers; it's for everything. So it's really weird that people haven't. Like...
What do you mean it's everything? It's only date.
Okay, so no, I'll show you. You go to members. All members.
I was just.
No, was it on? Ah, did it on media.
We did on media.
Yeah. So I added a bully here. So save. Ah.
That works on members.
No. Like.
Yeah.
This shouldn't happen, and that is like the thing on everything except for content.
Yes, but Lottie's saying that for her it works on members.
Well,
right?
let me repeat. I changed my date times to be text strings, and I thought I then tested the boolean when they were text strings.
Right. Members, settings, member types, member, add a property.
Might have got confused.
Bully. Commit, save.
Are you calling
members.
them boolies?
Yeah, it's my friend Bully.
It reminds me of an arguably terrible TV show.
Oh!
It does work on members. That's
The actual frick? Okay, I give up. HQ, fix it.
We can't. It's up for grabs.
Yeah, so so you change the toggle, and as long as you don't have it, so it's only date time.
Other people are reading along.
I know. And it's on YouTube as well. It's a cake. Cake is a lie reference. That's fine. All right. So.
All right, you added some logging. Let's check it. And members. Oh yeah, you did it. Then you have to change the date picker instead.
Did I? No. Did I do it? No, it wasn't content. It's in the edit panel.
Oh yeah, you're right.
true, 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 false.
Boom. Before ensure dirty, then end. Yeah,
Yes.
so it's actually doing that thing where it clears everything.
Yes, and that
So-
might be so. Oh, let's check now. So if we go to the weird thing here,
Yeah.
and like
If you copy that one.
Hi.
Yeah, exactly.
it's just this one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and it goes through all the
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's
So
do-
let's do this one and this one just to be sure. There you go. Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
Make sure that it's. But I have a feeling that when it doesn't open immediately, it's because of the tests.
Running. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah.
It's fine. Alright. So clear. Save and publish. True. Hey!
You broke it.
That's
So now
great,
it's consistently broken.
Mhm.
I think you copy that line to
Oh, yeah.
the member edit controller and everything is great.
right? Yeah, I mean, and everything is great. Jeez. But this
if
is
it's
not.
already been
Yeah, okay.
saved.
But this doesn't feel like it's the right way to do it. But okay.
It must be.
As long as you can ensure that whenever a form control updates its dirty state, even if it's the same value as it was before, that it then gets propagated to the content form above, then this is a correct solution. If you cannot guarantee that, this is not correct, because then you should update every control inside your content form. But since it's been working for years, kind of,
Yeah.
I guess
So
it's
what
okay.
happened at some point is we built this variance thing and
Yeah.
changed this whole edit controller here. And we didn't update the member or
No.
the other controllers. So
Okay, so let's
we
just do this.
probably
and
never really saw it before.
So if you go here and then
If the save button states success, then we must be done.
look, it calls init here as well.
Yeah, what does it do?
So why don't we just do this in edit? Yes, go to blah de da de da, bind events, and make sure that this is done.
Yeah. I guess.
It did move some spacing around.
Yep.
No, Sebastian, it's not good that you just say, "Yep, this is fine."
That's how most pull requests work. Like, yeah, looks good. It seems to work.
Okay. Delete.
Okay.
No.
Yep.
Delete. Save.
Yeah. Move.
No.
Ah, crap! Oh, did it rebuild correctly?
Oh yeah.
We refreshed it in the browser.
Yeah, I haven't refreshed. I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Refresh. 1 members. 1 set a date. Save.
Boom.
Yes.
Now, if you make it actually dirty and
Exactly. So if we make it dirty,
yeah,
and
but that
then
must work. Must
that
work.
still works.
Yeah.
That's good. And then. Okay.
And clear
So-
it and then save. No, we did clear and save. Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear and save. So go
The
to.
other time it was just when you put focus and then the date time field and didn't change
Oh
it.
yeah.
Mhm.
Right, that one as well. Let's see. So click, save.
No, it would be you don't need
That's
to.
right.
Well, you wouldn't
Oh,
want
yeah,
to
you
save.
don't need to. You don't need to save.
Click away
Save,
and
just
now
navigate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
But that's an
Minor.
angular. Yeah.
okie doke.
that's-
Yeah. Okay.
So that's fixed for the members.
Because
and
that
then-
doesn't happen on content either. I'm just saying that if you click
Yeah, it does. I
Hmm.
think. I mean, so click. Oh no, not here. Oh, but there wasn't a value in there.
Mm-hmm.
Save and publish. Refresh the page. Click in. Click out. Go here. It's the same deal.
Ah.
That's
Okay,
a
so
date
that's the
picker
same bug.
thing. Yeah.
mhm.
as it's-
Cool.
Cool. So now media.
Right, I'm off. Good luck.
Thanks.
Bye, Lottie.
That's fine. See ya.
Media. Where does that live? Oh, Mr. Hacky Hacky.
It's called media.editController.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Media.
Source, views, media, media,
There we-
edit, control.
bam.
Yeah.
And then let's see. So if create, then we do an init, else scope. No, that's for creating. Yeah, it's on the save thing. Sync tree. Scope.save function. Blah da 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 da. There's an init
Yeah.
on the successful save.
There's so
See,
much
that's-
duplicate code.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
just going to init. We go here. We're just gonna do it the same. There we go. Save. This feels really, really wrong.
Done.
It's gonna get rewritten anyway, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So, going to do no. Yeah. Add a date. Save. Move away. Hallelujah.
Whee!
Delete.
Boolean?
Do not save. Move.
Oh.
That's fine. Stay. Save. Move away. That's fine. Refresh. Change the boolean. Move away. That's fine.
No?
No, that's fine because I didn't save.
You didn't
Yeah,
save,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Save. Move away. Everything works. Hallelujah.
Magic.
And then now.
Remove all your console logs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So discard. Yes. Discard. Oh yeah, init to init, yeah. Make sure I didn't like fuck up anything else. Discard. Oh, this whole thing can be discarded. That's the content one, and we shouldn't have touched that one. Discard changes, yes. Media, that's one line. Member. Uh-oh. Where's the actual change?
The
Here,
top.
that's the bind event ones. Okay, find them. Discard, discard, discard. And then the whole date picker thing was just some logging. Yeah, don't need to decide it. Discard change. There we go, it's a fix of 2 lines.
Yeah. Which I always knew it would happen, but which two?
Yeah, I probably wouldn't have. I would probably have given up like halfway through. It's like,
Yes.
nope, screw this rabbit hole.
But I love this type of debugging. This is what I did in PHP 20 years ago. Put some logging somewhere in the middle of the page.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. That's why I despise JavaScript. Well, 617. Add content form 30. If we reset on successful, save.
Yeah, you should probably also do it on error, by the way. Because that's what the content
Does
one
it
did
do
as
it
well, right?
really? Does it? That's the whole
Yeah.
question. No, it.
Yeah, true. True. Oh, yeah,
It's-
you're right.
it's-
What does it do on error here?
Yeah.
Does
Save. Perform save.
Then error, sync tree, reset field validation. No, it doesn't. Okay, good.
No, yeah, but there was something that made you
Yeah, no, that was in a
Yeah.
different file.
to publish. No, it's in this one. Here we go. It's in here that you mean in these errors. It did something.
yeah.
No, that's the
Yeah, reset
unpublish.
form.
That's the unpublish. Need to publish. Send to publish.
Clear dirty state. Yeah.
Clear
that's so
dirty
weird.
state. But this is not on the form. It is on the content,
Variants.
on the variants, and that is not synced. We proved that. So
Yep. Yep. All good.
good, good. Add content form dirty reset on successful. Save for members and media.
And successful is one L.
Thanks,
Sorry.
Dad.
And double S.
Thanks. Anything else?
No, all good.
Okay, cool. Stage. Commits. Push. push to my fork. It's on the feet and content. Yep. And then go on to GitHub. Not the Umbraco one, mine. Haha, it does even show up here. That's nice.
Yeah.
I'll do this.
Control A and say as tested on UmbraCollab.
UmbraCollab. There we go. And then link in the issue because that just feels nice to do.
Very nice. If you put fixes in front of that,
It will
instead of
also
links
link
issue,
it.
fixes space. Yeah, that's fine. And I will auto link them as hopefully. Yeah, either one works. Yeah. Cool. Nope.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah, it always
Yeah.
It doesn't actually figure out that the number you already have down is the correct number. Oh, it does take in my. Oh yeah, because I started it from there.
Oh.
That's fine. I'll just make the pull request so that it's done, and then I'll reset it like I did before. No, in here. Go to.
Yeah, I think if you revert that change.
Nah.
Right click revert.
I can just do.
Okay.
So, and then go to feet and contrib, the origin one.
Yeah, for some.
Oh yeah, because I need to reset to here. That's why.
Oh yeah.
Reset.
Yeah, because you cherry picked it here. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and then discard all the changes. There we go. And then on here, create a new branch. I know there's probably better ways to do this.
Oh, this is nice. That's hack.
File 1617. Create and check out. And then cherry pick the old one. Commits. And then this one has the 2 changes. Perfect. And then now we can push this to the fork. Force it.
Boom.
And then it should have.
Yay!
There we go. Just
Nice.
1 commit. Nice and clean.
Nice balls.
And then we can delete this branch. There we go. The only thing that is bad about doing it this way, in my opinion, is that it like dirties the actual Git log. But
I never look at that.
That's on my end and not on your. It's on my fork that it messes it up. You know,
Yeah, exactly.
it should be fun.
Yep.
All right.
Cool.
That's 2
Nice
issues
stuff.
fixed in 1 day.
Sweet. Thanks for joining us, Sven. That was
Yeah, no worries.
a bit frustrating, but we got there in the end.
Well, frustrating just figuring it out. As soon as we actually figured out where everything was happening.
Exactly.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right. Cool.
All right. Thanks.
See you next
See you
week.
next time.
Yeah,
Yep.
nice one.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.